Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today's video will be about Respondent. Respondent is a highly efficiently and user-friendly platform that streamlines the process of conducting market research and survey. As a researcher, I have found this tool to be valuable assets in collecting valuable insight and data from a wide range of participants. One of the standout features of Respondent is its individual interface. Navigating through the platform is a breeze, making it accessible to both experienced research and newcomers. The straightforward design and clear instructions ensure that user can quickly set up their surveys and start gathering data about any unnecessary complication. So to get started, click here. So what type of account you want to create? Participant, you want to earn money. Researcher, I want to find research. So let's go as a participant to earn money. Create new participant account, or you can continue with Facebook or LinkedIn. No, LinkedIn. What did I have trouble pronouncing it? So linking it to Facebook. Yes, that's it. So the platform ability to target specific demographics is truly impressive. Respondent provides a vast pool of diverse participants, allowing researchers to narrow down their target audience with ease. This feature ensures that the collect data is more representative and relevant to the research objectives, thus enhancing the overall quality of the study. Okay, this is a bit lagging. I think I can't log in with Facebook. So let's put the first name, the last name, and the email and create the account. So another notable aspect of Respondent is its efficiency screening process. The platform allows researchers to set up pre-screening criteria to ensure that participants meet specific requirements. Its functionality save time and ensure that research sample are is tailored to the desired demographic, resulting in more reliable and accurate finding. So you will need a mobile number, verification code, and the birth date. So let's choose this. Now let's go. It was. No. Oh, wait. I accidentally added a number, but it was correct. Good. The gender, male. Identity. What? Okay, this is a bit racist. So, American Indian, Hispanic or Latino, Black or African American, Asian or Pacific Islander, White, Caucasian, Middle Eastern, mixed identity. I prefer to not say. I'm a Middle East. I think. Yes. What is the high level of education? High school graduated. What's your household income? Let's say this. Get matched with projects in your... Okay, the city is... Yes. Which of the following category describe your employer, such self-employer, owner, retired, not looking for work, employer, working part-time, not employed. So please add the 5 industry that are you applicable for. Let's go airlines. Let's go with the banking. So let's choose computer games. I'm not good at design. Education, yes. Farming. So those are 5, right? Okay, let's stop there. Start typing to select. Enter skill. Wait. At least 3 characters. Transcription is a skill. Traduction. No, I mean translation. Let's put translation and continue. PayPal account. Code of, yes. Now this is your dashboard and you can start making money. This is the tour. They help you to get familiar with the website. What is your music experience? It takes 9 hours, 40 minutes for once, and it's for five. I mean $55. So the price is good. That's why they need all those informations. One area where Respondent couldn't improve is in terms of pricing. While the platform offers great value of its future and it makes be a bit expensive for not for us freelancers, it's for companies and people who are looking for people. So in conclusion, Respondent is a reliable and user-friendly platform that simplifies the process of connection markets, research, and surveys, while intuitive and interface diverse participant pool and efficient screen process. It's an excellent choice for research seeking and people who are willing to make money. So if you need to make money, you just select the job, you apply for it, you can start screener and you start making money. I think the price is good, but the higher price, the more you will work. $120 for 2 days, but are you in Singapore? So it depends on the area you are and others. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.